Hello everyone! Today we are going to go deep down into GV Cloud EMap. So let's get started. GV Cloud EMap is a cloud-based digital mapping and surveillance tool designed to simplify and enhance security management. It integrates interactive maps with live video feeds, playback, and screenshots of the camera and access control information, allowing users to visualize their entire security setup in real time. You can monitor either a single building or a sprawling multi-site area. Upon detection of an event, a flashing camera and door icon will highlight the location on the corresponding map. Now, get ready for the tutorial video on GV Cloud EMap. From the GV Cloud page, click on the GV Cloud Apps icon, then click on the EMap. From here, we can see our host and cameras. Now we are starting with adding a map in the GV Cloud EMap. Click the Add Map button from the top left of the page. Create a name for the map. Choose a picture file to serve as the map image. And click on the Save button. We are now going to add our cameras to the EMap. Select the Edit icon located at the top. Click the EMap icon and drag the map to the desired position. Now click on the Edit icon again. Click on the newly created EMap icon. Select the Edit icon located at the top. Select and drag the camera from the left menu to the desired position. Let's add one right at the table. And another on the entrance. Now click on the Edit icon again to save the camera location on the EMap. Clicking on the camera icon displays the camera's live view. Let's check the video event message list, which is available on the right side of the screen. Double-click on the video event or click on the zoom button to expand the video event window. The video event window can display snapshot, playback, and live video. Let's see the playback of the event. The event playback is also available from the local host and from the cloud. In the live video panel, we can play and pause the live view of the camera. We can also enable and disable audio, take a snapshot, and use PIP view. Let's check the PIP view on top of the video. By dragging a square in the PIP view, you can get a close-up view of the video event. We can download the video event. Click on the download icon and click Save. If we want to filter the video event messages, we need to clicking on the funnel icon in top of the video event list. From here, we can select system events, video event such as motion, tampering alarm, face group alert, and more. Or select an I/O event like fire alarm, gas alarm, emergency button, and more. There is also POS event, AI event, access log, and event log. After selecting our event, just click on Save. Now let's check the 3D EMap feature. By clicking the 3D button icon at the top, we can view the map in 3D, zooming in and out with the mouse wheel, and by clicking on the camera icon, we can see the live view of the camera in 3D EMap. And rotating it as needed. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.